Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to stream on the Twitch mobile app. First, open the Twitch mobile app and make sure you are signed into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. A new menu will appear. From there, select the stream option to continue. Next, choose the type of stream you want to start. Select Stream IRL if you want to share real-life content, or choose Stream Games if you want to stream a mobile game. Pick the option that matches what you want to broadcast and allow any permissions it asks for. After that, you can set up your stream. Edit the stream title so viewers know what your stream is about. Add a few relevant tags to help more people find your stream. Then select the correct category. You can also review the other available settings and change them if needed. Taking a moment to check these options can help your stream look more organized before you go live. When you finish making your changes, tap Save and go back to the previous screen. When everything is ready, tap the Start button. The app will begin loading your stream. Wait a few seconds while Twitch prepares the broadcast. Once the loading process is complete, you will be live on Twitch, and viewers can start joining your stream right away. Thanks for watching.